Do you normally struggle with prepositions? Today I'm going to teach you one of the prepositions of direction or movement. Guess what it is? Onto. Where do we use preposition onto? Movement toward a surface, like moving from a surface to a certain other surface. Examples. The cat jumped onto the table, like it jumped from somewhere onto the table, on the surface of the table. He climbed onto the roof. Indicates a change of position from lower to higher or one surface to another. Common pitfalls. Don't confuse with on, used when there is no movement, like staying on something, not moving. Incorrect. The keys are onto the desk. Keys are not moving, they are staying. So you cannot say onto the desk for keys, but you can say the keys are on the desk, or the lad jumps onto the desk. Hope you know this. Give comments using the word onto, the preposition onto. Tell us any other preposition that is confusing to you.